Yes. Nice greeting to everybody. Today we are going to talk about the double decompositions. That is it, the reactions between two soluble salt to produce the one which is insoluble and the one which is soluble. So the one which is insoluble is the one which is required to be prepared, that we are going to see what to talk about. So we have the double decompositions between chloride and hydroxides. So the other time we say that all chloride are soluble. So the physical state of chloride is aqueous, meaning that they dissolve forming solutions. Then we say that all hydroxides are what? Insoluble. That is why we're going to talk about the reaction. So we have double decomposition. We say that the reaction between two soluble salts. So we have here solution of copper 2 chloride reacting with the solution of dilute sodium hydroxide solution. So we have the reaction between copper 2 chloride solution and dilute sodium hydroxide solution. That is it, the reaction between two soluble salts. Now we are going to see. So part A is saying, to the solution of copper 2 chloride was added dilute sodium hydroxide solution. Now, how do we complete the product for part A? This one, these equations. So we split, this is copper 2 chloride, which is made of copper, chloride, sodium hydroxide made of sodium and hydroxide. So we split copper 2 chloride made of copper, so the balance of copper is 2. Chloride is a molecule, we pick only one atom participating in a reaction, so atom goes singles. We pick also between sodium and hydroxide, so we pick sodium, also valence 1, hydroxide, so valence 1. So we combine, so that positive combining with a negative, so we are going to see copper and hydroxide. So when you combine copper and hydroxide, so it combine to form copper 2 hydroxide. So copper 2 hydroxide. So since all hydroxide are insoluble, so the physical state for hydroxide is what? Solid. So solid in the chemistry means precipitate. So what is the color of copper? Color of copper is what? Blue. Then the observation will be blue precipitate. That is a blue solid is a form. Plus we have sodium and chloride to form sodium chloride. All chloride are soluble, so the physical state for chloride is aqueous. So this is a colorless solution because sodium has no color. So this is a blue precipitate because of copper, and since hydroxide are insoluble. So we see that when you react two soluble salt, insoluble salt is produced, and there's also one which is soluble. That is what we call double decomposition. The reaction between two soluble salts to produce this insoluble salt and the one which is soluble. That is double decomposition. So now how do we compute the equation? To complete, so we have copper, we balance atom 1 by 1, copper 1, copper also here 1. Chloride here is what? 2, here is 1. Now what are we going to do to make here be 2? We are going to add 2 in the coefficient of sodium chloride. These two multiply sodium and chloride at the same time. So we have copper 1, chloride 2, chloride 2. Sodium 1 here is 2. So we write 2 here. So these 2 multiply sodium, oxygen and hydrogen at the same time. So we start copper 1, here is also 1. Chloride 2, here 2. Sodium 2, here is also what? 2. Oxygen 2, here also 2. Hydrogen 2, here is also what? 2. Then equation is what? Balance. So that is how we see the double decompositions. Thank you very much. This is the first lecture. I wish you a nice day.